Welcome to this comprehensive guide on Axie Infinity NFT valuation methods, where we will explore the key concepts and practical examples to help you understand the process of evaluating these unique digital assets. First, it is essential to understand what Axie Infinity is. A popular blockchain-based game where players can collect, breed, and battle creatures known as Axies, which are represented as non-fungible tokens or NFTs. The valuation of these NFTs depends on various factors, including their rarity, attributes, and usability in the game. There are several methods to value Axie Infinity NFTs, including the comparable sales method, where the value of an Axie is determined by comparing it to similar Axies that have been sold in the market. This method requires researching recent sales data and adjusting for any differences in attributes or rarity. Another method is the income approach, which values an Axie based on its potential to generate income through breeding, battling, or other in-game activities. This method requires estimating the Axie's potential earnings and discounting them to their present value. The cost approach is also used, which values an Axie based on the cost of creating or replacing it. This method requires estimating the cost of breeding or purchasing an Axie with similar attributes and rarity. In addition to these methods, there are also other factors that can impact the value of an Axie, such as its genetic traits, body parts, and card effects. Understanding these factors and how they interact with each other is crucial in determining the value of an Axie. To illustrate this, let's consider an example of a rare Axie with high attributes and a unique combination of body parts. Using the comparable sales method, we can research recent sales data and find that similar Axies have sold for a certain price range. We can then adjust for any differences in attributes or rarity to determine the value of our Axie. Best practices for valuing Axie Infinity NFTs include staying up to date with market trends and sales data, understanding the game's mechanics and how they impact the value of Axies, and considering multiple valuation methods to get a comprehensive view of an Axie's value. In conclusion, valuing Axie Infinity NFTs requires a thorough understanding of the game's mechanics, market trends, and valuation methods. By considering multiple approaches and staying informed, you can make more accurate valuations and make informed decisions when buying, selling, or trading these unique digital assets.